Hiya, welcome back to Byw'n Iach Glan Wnion in Dolegellau. As you can see, we're now open again. Been a lot of changes since you were last here, but we've got some new signs to go through them. And then it's also important to wear your masks when you come in. When you come into the centre, it's very important to sanitise your hands before moving on to reception. When you get to reception, please scan your card and move on to your session. When going around the centre, please adhere to the one-way system. In the fitness room, please make sure to follow the one-way system. Also make sure to clean your equipment after use, and exit is through that door. In the weight room, maximum of 2 people at a time. Make sure to clean your equipment after use. All fitness classes are currently being held in the hall. Please make sure to keep your distance. Once you're finished with your session, you'll exit through this way. Thank you. We look forward to welcoming you back to the centre, making sure you stay safe.